Okay, in this video, I'm going to log into the app as an agent. So that's what you see, test email as agent@gmail.com. Let me log in, and if I log in and I see the two properties that I created, for example, and it shows the hashtag, it shows it with the hashtag. One minor improvement, I don't know if it's easy to do. So if I tap on the search bar, search button, it pulls up this blank field. Can we automatically bring this keyboard up instead of me pressing on this? So I don't know, it's a minor improvement so that the user doesn't have to touch two times. So what I'm saying is, if we press on this button, can we automatically bring up the keyboard? So that's one improvement. If it's minor, please do that. The other thing that I noticed is, say for example, if I select this property, it looks good, the price, the address, the hashtag, pictures and everything. If I edit, so see how the keyboard says hashtag Morton Town Home. If I click on edit and if I do nothing and if I click on update, it automatically adds another hashtag. So now you see double hashtag. I don't know why it's doing that. So for example, again, if I click on edit, I didn't do anything, I didn't touch anything. If I just say update, it adds another hashtag. So can we check on that and see why it's adding hashtag? It shouldn't add any hashtag to it. So what I've been doing is, I go into the keyword and delete every one of it, and then if I say update, it returns to single hashtag. So that's what I saw. So the other thing that I wanted to bring up in the edit page is, okay, now you have this picture, and if I try to add more picture, say for example add image, and if I say camera, and if I take a picture of this thing here and I say, I do that and then I say use photo, it adds the picture, and if I update, it's still showing the old picture. It's not updating with the new picture. So that's one issue. The other issue is, if I have to add multiple pictures, how do I add multiple pictures? Say for example, if this is a house, right, and if I want to add multiple pictures, how do I add multiple pictures? Because every time I press on this, it takes me to take a picture, and I take a picture, and then I say use photo, and then if I update, it overlaps on the same picture that I have. And in this case, the picture doesn't even update. That's one thing. The other thing is, say if I have 2 or 3 pictures here, and if I want to delete just one picture out of it, how do I delete it? Right now I don't have an option to delete just one picture if I have multiple pictures. So that's something, if you guys can look at it. So hopefully this video makes that question clear. Actually, before I end the video, so I see you guys have called the Facebook and Twitter. So what this Facebook and Twitter does here on this page is completely different from the Facebook login the user does. So for example, John is the real estate broker. John has his own Facebook page or Twitter page, and if John wants to link his Facebook page or Twitter page onto this page, he should be able to do this. Now if John doesn't have a Facebook or a Twitter page, this will be blank. So even if I touch on it, it shouldn't do anything. But right now it's saying I can tweet, and if I type on Facebook, it says going into Facebook posting. But this to button is basically, if you as a user want to see John's Facebook page, you can click on that Facebook page to go to John's Facebook page. So that's the idea of this 2 buttons here. Alright.